got to understand that the only way that you can be free is if you open up your mouth. Because if the enemy got your mind, he got your grind. If the enemy got your mind, he got your wealth. If the enemy got your mind, he got your success. And so I want you to understand today is that you got to get to a place to where God's going to say to you, why are you telling me for? That's what he told Moses. He said, yo, why are you telling me for? Isn't it crazy how you can be in the promised land and still got Egypt in your nostrils? I want you to understand that freedom, come on somebody, is not a location, it's a mentality. You have something in your hand. A lot of you got a voice. Stop allowing the enemy to put this spiritual muzzle on your mouth. All you got to do is pick up the phone and hit record. It's not that deep. But you keep allowing past trauma and past fears to stop you? That's not the God that I serve. What? That's not the God I serve. The God I serve, he said, you free indeed if you choose to be. So you got to understand that in the moment that you're in right now, you didn't just come to a conference. You didn't just come to a mastermind. You just got introduced to your next level. And so literally Moses heard all the people complaining. They're like, it was better there, it was better there, it was better there. And literally God told Moses, he said, what's in your hands? And all Moses did, he just stretched that thing out. And he said, God, I don't know how to do this. God, I got a speech impediment. God, I don't know if I'm going to make it. God, I don't understand, but I trust you. Hey, Shanda Kerebo Shera Mansi. He said, I trust you. And all he did, he put that thing out, and God did the rest. God's telling you that, just take your phone out, he'll do the rest. Oh, y'all just missed what I just went over some of your heads. God literally just said, just take your phone out, I'll do the rest. God said, just step up to the plate, I'll do the rest. Because a lot of you are sitting on your gift. And let me say this to you, a lot of people like to tell people all these other sins. You know what the greatest sin on earth is? You being stuck and being disobedient in the gift that God told you to multiply in. How's that to sin? And so when you understand who you truly are, when you understand the anointing that's on your life, your swagger different. I was at a conference with David Power Talk, and I remember CJ was on stage, because you know a lot of people like to be other people, George. Right, Dave? And he said something, CJ said something, he said, you can't be, there's not another E, but you can be the first you. You can't be David Power, you can't be George, but you can be the first you. Oh, come on, somebody. You can be the first what? You can be the first what? So get up for me. Get up for me. I'm not going to. I know I got a couple more times, but I ain't worrying about that right now. I'm going to move as the Spirit tells me to move. If you, and listen to me, don't lie. How many of y'all can say, well, I'm not going to hold you? For the past couple of years, God has been telling me to do some things. Maybe it's speaking. Maybe it's starting a business. Maybe it's coaching. How many of you can say, God, I didn't do it? Put your hands up. All right. You have just got introduced to your next level. Grace, power, anointing. We remove the spiritual muzzle from your mouth. We remove this chain from your mouth telling you that you can't do it. Telling you that you're not a mountain nut. The devil is a liar. You mean to tell me you stayed in the land for 2 days to go back home and be the same? That's the problem. You want change, but not transformation. And so repeat after me. Say, don't live. Oh, come on. Don't live just to exist. But live to be remembered. Oh, come on. Turn me up on the legacy. Don't live just to exist. But live to be remembered. I can live twice. Come on, I can live twice. I can live twice if I leave my legacy. Let's go. Let's be great, baby. Let's go. I just can't go back. I can't go back.